Hey, welcome guys to my unboxing video of my recent acquisition of Grand Seiko. So I'm really proud to show you this watch because recently I have acquired this and I was simply mesmerized by the beauty, the craftsmanship and a real professional watchmaking of Grand Seiko. So let's not waste much time, but before that I would like to show you some things like my recent watch case, the Grand Seiko watch case given to me in a Grand Seiko watch meeting. A really nice evening, really good people and all of the best collectors in the town of Mumbai. So I have got this Grand Seiko watch box, so I will keep it aside. And then this was the Grand Seiko history, complete history in 10 chapters. So it was really nice experience to get this book, and that is something really nice to have around, a really worthwhile kind of thing. Now without further delay, let's go to the watch unboxing. So my watch has come in this really beautiful Grand Seiko box, really professional. And let us take this out. The outer box is open and I will take the entire watch out. There is one inner box as well, so I will hold it here and take the box out. First of all, I will keep the main box aside, the inner box aside, and let's see all the documentation that you may find inside the Grand Seiko box. So this is a small folder in which there is the Grand Seiko inspection certificate, which is very extremely necessary when you buy a Grand Seiko watch. So everything has been mentioned here. It has all the standards against which the watch has been tested. So there are two documents, 2 pages, and so my watch has qualified the inspection. Everything is mentioned here: the case serial number, the movement serial number, the caliber number, that is 9S66, the certificate number, etc. Seiko Watch Corporation, the Grand Seiko lion insignia, that is something. So I will keep this aside. Then we have, so here we have the Grand Seiko 9 Club India registration form, or some kind of voucher. Then we have here the warranty card. This is a limited lifetime warranty. I have got 5 years warranty in this and everything has been mentioned here. So I have bought this watch from Ethos Watches. So Ethos Watches is the authorized distributor of my Grand Seiko. And this is the warranty and guarantee terms and conditions. Everything has been mentioned in different language, so I will keep this here. At last, the box has this mechanical watch operating instructions. So everything has been totally explained here in case of mechanical watches in all the languages that you may find. I mean, not all the languages, but all the internationally acknowledged languages like English, German, French, Italian, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, everything. So quite a thick book. Definitely the mechanism is quite well made. So I will keep this box aside. And now I will get the main watch box aside from the paper. And here is the Grand Seiko box that we have been truly waiting to get our hands on. So this is the Grand Seiko box, and finally the watch here. So this is my Grand Seiko watch. The watch is the Grand Seiko SBGM 221, something that is really well made and something that you should really want to see. So I will definitely show you the things that this watch has. So I will simply zoom onto the watch and focus it here so you can see this watch clearly. So this is the watch. I had to take my gloves off because I cannot simply operate the screen using the gloves on. So this is the unboxing of the watch, and everything that you need to know about the Grand Seiko will be followed in the review that I am going to make after this unboxing. So thank you for watching my channel. Do like, share and subscribe, and please wait for the review that will be following. Thanks a lot. Bye.